Setting goals for your photography business is a crucial step in creating a roadmap for success. By defining your objectives, you provide yourself with direction and purpose. In this article, we will outline a step-by-step approach to help you set meaningful goals that will guide your photography business towards long-term success. 1. Identify your long-term vision. When embarking on the journey of establishing a photography business, it is crucial to take the time to clearly define your long-term vision. This involves not only picturing where you want your business to be in the future, but also delving into the core values and principles that will drive your endeavors. By envisioning the future state of your photography business, you are essentially setting the destination towards which all your efforts will be directed. Consider the intricate details of your vision, such as the specific niche within the photography industry you wish to specialize in. Whether it is portrait photography, wedding photography, landscape photography, or any other genre, identifying your area of expertise will help you carve out a unique position in the market and attract the right clientele. Additionally, think about the target market you aspire to serve. Understanding the demographics, preferences, and needs of your target audience is essential for tailoring your services to meet their expectations effectively. By aligning your long-term vision with the desires of your target market, you can create a strong connection that fosters loyalty and repeat business. Another critical aspect to contemplate is the reputation you aim to build within the industry. Your long-term vision should encompass the values, ethics, and quality standards that will define your brand and set you apart from competitors. Building a positive reputation takes time and consistent effort, so outlining this aspect in your vision will provide a roadmap for maintaining integrity and excellence in all your business practices. Your long-term vision acts as a compass that guides your strategic decisions, goal-setting processes, and day-to-day operations. It serves as a source of motivation, inspiration, and direction, propelling you towards success in the dynamic world of photography business. 2. Break it down into specific objectives. Once you have established a clear and well-defined vision for your goals, the next crucial step is to deconstruct this vision into smaller, more manageable objectives that are both measurable and achievable. By breaking down your overarching vision into specific, quantifiable goals, you create a roadmap that outlines the steps necessary to reach your ultimate destination. For instance, you could set a target to grow your client base by a specific percentage within a defined time frame. This measurable objective provides a tangible goal to strive towards and allows you to track your progress along the way. Similarly, setting a revenue target gives you a concrete financial aim to work towards, guiding your business decisions and strategies to meet this objective. Expanding your portfolio in a particular niche can be a strategic objective that aligns with your broader vision. By focusing on diversifying your offerings within a specific market segment, you not only enhance your expertise and reputation in that area, but also open up new avenues for growth and expansion. These specific objectives serve as crucial stepping stones on your journey towards realizing your larger vision. They provide clarity, direction, and motivation, enabling you to make informed decisions and take purposeful actions that propel you closer to achieving your ultimate goals. By setting measurable and attainable objectives, you create a structured framework for success and ensure that every milestone you reach brings you one step closer to fulfilling your vision. 3. Consider timeframes. Assigning specific timeframes to your goals is a crucial step in ensuring their success. By categorizing your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives, you create a structured timeline that not only adds a sense of urgency, but also fosters a greater level of accountability. Short-term goals, which are achievable within a few weeks or months, allow you to focus on immediate tasks and milestones that contribute to your overall progress. These goals provide a sense of accomplishment in the short term and keep you motivated to move forward. Medium-term goals, achievable within 6 months to a year, require a bit more planning and commitment. They often serve as stepping stones towards your long-term objectives, helping you build momentum and stay on track towards achieving your ultimate vision. Long-term goals, which span from 1 to 5 years, represent your most significant aspirations and require dedication and perseverance. Setting deadlines for these goals provides a clear roadmap for the future and helps you break down large ambitions into manageable tasks. By incorporating deadlines into your goal-setting process, you create a sense of structure and focus that propels you towards success. Deadlines serve as a powerful motivator, pushing you to prioritize your tasks, make progress consistently, and ultimately turn your dreams into reality. 4. Make your goals smart. When setting goals, it is crucial to ensure that they adhere to the SMART criteria. This framework acts as a guiding principle to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By incorporating these elements into your goal-setting process, you are more likely to create objectives that are well-defined, quantifiable, realistic, pertinent, and bound by a specific time frame. Specific goals help in providing clarity and direction by clearly outlining what needs to be achieved. Measurable goals enable you to track progress and determine when the goal has been accomplished. Achievable goals ensure that they are within reach and can be attained with the available resources. Relevant goals are aligned with your overall objectives and contribute meaningfully to your long-term vision. Time-bound goals establish a deadline, creating a sense of urgency and accountability. For instance, rather than setting a vague goal like increase sales, a SMART goal would be more precise and actionable. An example could be increase monthly sales by 20% within the next 6 months by implementing targeted marketing campaigns. This specific goal outlines the desired outcome, quantifies the target, sets a realistic expectation, aligns with the business's objectives, and establishes a time frame for achievement. By following the SMART framework, you not only articulate your goals effectively, but also create a roadmap that guides your actions towards success. It ensures that your goals are well-defined, attainable, and strategically aligned with your overarching aspirations. Embracing SMART goals can significantly enhance your goal-setting process and increase the likelihood of accomplishing your objectives within the desired timeframe. 5. Prioritize your goals. When ranking your goals in order of importance or urgency, it is essential to consider the potential impact each goal will have on your business. By prioritizing your goals, you can effectively allocate your efforts and resources to focus on the most critical objectives first. This strategic approach ensures that you are addressing the key areas that will drive success and growth for your business. Starting with the goals that will have the most significant impact allows you to make progress in areas that will bring the most value to your organization. As you work your way down the list, you can address goals that are important but may not have an immediate impact, ensuring a balanced approach to goal setting and achievement. Prioritizing your goals is a key step in creating a roadmap for success and ensuring that your efforts are aligned with the overall vision and objectives of your business. 6. Write them down. Documenting your goals in a clear and concise manner is a crucial step towards achieving success. By putting your goals into writing, you are essentially making a pact with yourself, reinforcing your dedication to the objectives you have set. This act of commitment not only provides you with a sense of direction, but also serves as a powerful motivator, reminding you of the purpose behind your efforts. Keeping your goals visible in your daily life is essential for staying on track. When you regularly revisit your written goals, you are actively engaging with your aspirations, monitoring your progress, and evaluating whether any adjustments need to be made. This reflective practice allows you to assess how far you have come and what steps are still needed to reach your desired outcome. By consistently documenting, reviewing, and refining your goals, you create a structured framework that guides your actions and decisions. This disciplined approach not only helps you maintain focus amidst distractions, but also holds you accountable for your journey towards success. Embracing this habit of goal documentation not only enhances your productivity, but also cultivates a mindset of growth and achievement. 7. Break goals into actionable steps. After defining your goals, it is crucial to break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This process allows you to create a clear roadmap towards achieving your larger objectives. By breaking down your goals into actionable steps, you not only make them more achievable, but also increase your motivation and focus. Each of these smaller steps acts as a milestone, providing you with a sense of accomplishment as you progress. Assigning deadlines to these tasks is essential for keeping yourself accountable and maintaining momentum. Furthermore, breaking down your goals into smaller tasks enables you to track your progress more effectively. It allows you to identify any potential obstacles or challenges early on and adjust your approach accordingly. This approach also helps in prioritizing your actions, ensuring that you are always working towards the most critical aspects of your goals. Ultimately, by breaking down your goals into actionable steps with set deadlines, you create a structured and systematic approach to achieving success. This method not only enhances your productivity, but also instills a sense of discipline and commitment towards reaching your desired outcomes.